Hello. Hey guys. My quota bag. Disclaimer update. Disclaimer video. My quick update on my journey in my bag that I haven't posted yet. I promise I will. Hermes journey update. My disclaimer video. My Hermes journey update disclaimer video. I know. I'm sorry. I know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Fashion Freak. I love you, love it, shop, I look shit, and today is an Hermes update. Quick update video for you on my journey and my bag that I have not posted yet. I'm sorry. This is not the video you're waiting for. This is just a video to tell you an update. So, all right, I know. Sorry. Okay, first of all, yes, I know I have not given you guys the video you've been asking for of the unboxing of my bag. I will get to it. I'm sorry. I haven't had time to film it because I am now in Switzerland. I had to get on a flight and I was already behind on the videos anyway. And quick recap. Okay, got my bag. We'll talk about it. Be still posting the in-store shopping experience and like vlogging and then the reveal. So stay tuned. I promise it'll be worth it. This video has been 3 years in the making. I promise, or 2 years in the making, 3 years in the making. So I promise I will do it soon as I get back from Europe. I'm in Europe right now and that's why I couldn't film it and edit. I had to rush out and everything like that. I'm going to get it to you guys soon, I promise. It's gonna be a little later than I, so sorry. So that's disclaimer. Disclaimer one. Disclaimer video. Just to let you know, I got the bag. I haven't been able to post it yet. I've been traveling. I'm in Europe and I will post it as soon as I get back. I promise I will post it to you. I know it's been a long time coming. I promise you guys. I'm really excited. I really want you to see it. So just please stick with me, play with me, please. I promise it to be worth it. I'm sorry I haven't posted yet. It's worth the wait. It's been 3 years in the making. It will be, 3 more days or weeks or whatever it is until I get out. But I promise I will get it out in 2 parts. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be great because it's me and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome and I love it and you guys are gonna love it. So okay, so sorry about that. That is the disclaimer of this video. I will get it to you. I promise. Right now I'm in Europe, just brutting around and I've popped into every single Hermes obviously and tried to, get my second one obviously because I already want a second one obviously. Okay, so I will talk about that in a separate video, but I am gonna post a separate video today about something that I just found out that I wanted to give you this update. So cut.